Omoroberio Linet Nyambane noroboti rwa senchiro wikirano kurwa somocho Nairobi tugoskabosio ase county ya KISII bono mwanchu murigeria Omoroberio Nyota Entunde ya Kabere nigo bono wasiori ase skuli obobundi ya KISII ase ABASAE GOETANIA chiribu isano na isato kurwa ase county ya KISII NYAMIRA na MIGORI banyara elio kwegenderia okwana chinga kecho no muwaziri otenete wizara ya KISII Julius Ogamba amonori otenete wizara yobwerani bw'echinguru cy'omuriro Opio Wandai nigo bono bagokeire Omoroberio hoyo inse yo oeneketiwe gochaka no murai bwense ase bono oenekire guikirana eira yae anena ase ogokora omochando bwokoborwa kwemeremo ase ABASAE nigo bono ABASAE abo bagokeire Omoroberio oyo ase baenekire gochigokoro bonchoreria erikwenyorera eng'eri yabo ya kira rituko murikito Frida Kirbo na mange.
Ile mbele iliingia tukaanza biashara ya ufugaji wa kuku. Ulifanya namna gani? Nilinunua incubator 8,000.
Nasumuyiga bukubwatoka enengo ya Nyota ase Entunda ya Kabere oyokorekana ime skuru yobobundi ya KISII nakoragwa n'umuwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Ogamba amona Opio Wandai okwana umuwaziri Ogamba nigaeneke buna ABASAE GOETANIA chiribu isana na isato korwa ase county ya KISII NYAMIRA amona MIGORI mbakonyeka elio kwegendereria.
We were here dealing with the three counties, that is MIGORI, NYAMIRA and KISII. The total number of recipients is over 8,000. The 8,000 that are getting their money today, 2,000 are first timers. They are the people who are getting for the first time, and then after a few months they'll get the second tranche. 6,000 plus are getting the second tranche to make the total of 50, where 6,000 has gone to savings, and of course now 44 has entered the business.
Boigo nigo baeneke buna n'Omoroberio ogonchereria obugima bwa ABASAE anene b'emyaka 29 ko chamaega abo bakorete ekerasi gya 12 elio koenekya ngokonyeka bale ase obugima bwabo.
It's a program that is life-changing, and it's a program that we must actually entrench for you to be able to continue to support these youth.
This program is targeting the youth who are up to 29, but those with disability it extends up to 35 years. And all of them are those who never went beyond Form 4. They are Form 4 and below. And so the support we are giving them is to give them a chance in life for them to be able to start economically contributing to our country.
Boigo Opio nigo agokera oborai bwaye Dr. William Ruto asogo ikirania eira yaye anene asogo kora omuchando bwokuburwa kwemeremo kolengania n'oborai bwa magega.
Many times politicians or leaders talk, but there's a difference between talking and implementing. President William Ruto has demonstrated that he has the capacity, the goodwill, and the willingness to implement his policy pronouncements. This program goes a long way to demonstrate that this government is a listening and caring government. Something like this has never been seen in the previous administrations. We know that the matter of youth unemployment is a challenge that is being faced by many countries, not just Kenya. But Kenya has gone ahead, under President Ruto's guidance, has gone ahead to think and to conceive of innovative ways to address this matter of youth unemployment.
Asensemo y'omuwaziri Ogamba nigo aerera emerobere ye serikali yogosira ABASAE bali batabwati chi certificate kolende babwate obumanyi bunankonyora bale chi certificate icho eliokoeneke muna mbali gosiekererwa isiko ki amabaga yemeremo aratoke.
The total amount that has been distributed is 3 billion Kenya shillings, and initially they received the other 3 billion. So we are continuing as a government to look and see what is it that we can do to support our youth, other than the issues that we deal with in TVETs. We've rolled out, for example, programs like the what we are calling recognition of prior learning. Recognition of prior learning is where somebody has had a skill, but because they did not pursue it formally, they did not have a certification for it. What that does is that when an opportunity arises, for example in AGPO, and somebody needs to attach a certificate, they are closed out or they are locked out because they don't have that certificate. Now the recognition of prior learning covers that gap by giving them a certificate after some certification to confirm that this is somebody who is skilled in that field and can do the work.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.